So guys, we are in the Play Store app, and here we have to write earn money video and apps. Search it, and here you will have this app, earn money video and apps. And here I have already installed the app, and I just have to open the app. Here he's asking me to give my email and password. I already have to give it. I already have give it. Oh, sorry guys. Just one sec. Now he's signing in. As I have already installed app and promote my video. But as you can see, when you install the app, it gives you the bonus of $2.0, and by click on earn, it'll by clicking on earn, he's asking me to install this game. Now I will install this game. Install. It is for free. You just have to watch some videos and download some app so that it'll give you points in dollars. You can also withdraw them when you get to $40. And guys, I will tell you one thing, I have earned $20 to $21 per day. But I use it to promote my website, not to withdraw it. It is downloading the app. Just one sec. Downloading. Just 21 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. So guys, it has downloaded and now it is installing. When installation is complete, just go back to the app. Yes, it is complete now. Go back to the app and click on play button. As you can say, play per install and pay per install and play. $0.2. Now you have opened it, you can go back. Next. Guys, my earning has gone to my promotion to the video. But still I will show you. So guys, I have earned some dollars, and now I will click on share. Share. And this window, oh my guys, it's giving a bit problem today. I don't know why. Just one second. Sign in now. Register. One second, guys. Just one second. So here you have to click on share. I already have pasted the link, and it has 59 expressions. I just had only 5 views on my video of this website of this link. As you can see, how to get more traffic on your blog and website 100% with working proof. So let's see our video. So my videos, and it has 60 views. No, just wait a second. Yes, it has 16 views now, which had just 5 views. Now I will tell you how to paste the link. You just have to go to UC browsers there. Mm, so this was the video. I click on this and copy link. earn money, paste. Guys, here see, you have to delete all the words which are beneath is equal, and this is the link of my site. I cannot add this video right now because I don't have the slots left. If you earn more money you can have more slots. I just have installed the app, so this is why I don't have the slots now, and no don't have any funds. So that's why I cannot paste add video right now. You just have, when you have slots, it'll give you option of add video. When you add the video, your video will be added, and then you just have to earn, click on earn, and watch the watch videos and install app which is it has been giving you. It also have some payment options. So if you want to pay for your views, so that you don't have to watch videos and install app, you can also do that. Just click on these, and you will have the payment options. As you can see, I live in Pakistan, so that it is giving me rupees 850 per week. I don't want to do this because it is I am doing it free right now. So I'll go back and earn more. So guys, I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.